Alright, hey everybody, this is Dr. Dave. We're looking at a very large corn on the bottom of the left big toe that's been developing over the last several months. And as you can imagine, she hasn't done much about it before. And this is just buildup of dead skin, what we refer to medically as a hyperkeratosis. Now, hyperkeratosis is interchangeable with corns or calluses. A lot of people say they're different, but really they're the same thing, and it's just a buildup of dead skin on the bottoms of the feet from high pressure areas. And this just builds up as a layer of protection. Instead of breaking down the skin, it builds it up like you would get calluses on the tips of your fingers for like playing guitar. Some people get worse calluses than others. A lot of times it's genetic, or the types of shoes they wear, or how they walk. So a lot of people just come in and have these trimmed down periodically. I usually see most people every 3 months or so for this condition. Then I just check for some smoothness, make sure it's all nice and clean. And looking here at the right big toe, similar buildup, not nearly as severe as the other side. And then she has a buildup underneath the first metatarsal head, kind of similar to the fifth. I like to think of the foot as a tripod. Pressure point sub first, sub fifth. Heel not so much, heels just get dry. A lot of times that buildup on the big toe is just from how people roll off their foot, and they get that pressure point on the inside of the big toe there. So just take a little bit at a time. Hopefully not too much. It takes a lot of years of practice just to know when to stop with these things. And that's pretty much it for the video today. Just finishing up here. Again, this is Dr. Dave at Miklos Foot and Ankle. Be sure to like and subscribe our video, and we'll see you next time.